Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some more wiring on old Frankenbuggy here. I've been doing a lot of wiring with the engine, the ECU and all that. As you can tell, I got all the wires routed. Doesn't look pretty right now, but I'm going to wait until it runs to pretty everything up. But I had to order more parts for that, so hopefully they come soon so I can finish up that video. But today I'm going to be wiring up the electric power steering. A few videos ago my dad mounted this up, and now I get to wire it up. So I had to order a controller for the computer for the power steering. Looks like this. It's pretty simple. This is just, where the magic happens, where it controls the computer that's in that. And this is a little adjustment knob to adjust the assistance with the power steering. So it should be pretty simple. That power steering unit is I like to say just mid-2000s Chevy. Basically that one is from a Saturn Vue or Ion, and the Chevy Equinox, which is just the little crossovers back in the 2000s. Anyways, basically all I have to do is hook up power, ground, and then hook up the controller to this little box here, and hopefully we have power steering at the end of this. I'm going to be cleaning up the wiring on the steering rack itself. This is all OEM stuff. I don't need it this long. I'm going to be running it to the power switch right here. But I'm going to be taking off all this covering here and remounting some things and shortening this wire. I already got the ground connected to the box. But yeah, I'm just going to get to wiring, and hopefully at the end of today we'll have some power steering. Alright guys, got everything wired up besides the switch now. Had to extend some wires for the controller, power, ground, everything's connected. Now I just need to drill a hole for the little knob, this here. Thinking about just putting it right up here. Should be pretty simple enough. Just stick that through there, connect those two wires, and we should have electric power steering on this thing. All right, guys, got the switch wired up, put it right over there. Having my dad come over here so we can test it out. I'm gonna turn on the power switch right quick and see if it works.
See if this old guy can actually turn the wheel here.
It's on its lowest setting. Turn the knob.
Oh wow.
Look at that.
This is one-handed here. All right.
And then go turn it down again. Does it feel different?
Not really. Oh, that's harder there. This is real easy here. So yeah, knob's working.
All right. Awesome.
All right.
I definitely have to clean up the wiring a little bit. I'm not done in this area yet. I'm going to be having to do lights and everything. So, I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but it'll be cleaned up soon enough. I still need this is the fuel gauge. Like, there's all kinds of random wires in here, like for illumination for the gauges and stuff. But yeah, that's one project done. Next time I'm on the camera, I'm going to be finishing up the other video I'm doing, which is the Mega Squirt. But yeah, other than that, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.